Hi guys! In this demo, we'll show you how to target LinkedIn users by location with Multilogin. This is useful if you're doing local outreach, recruiting in a specific market, connecting with local leads, or managing LinkedIn accounts for different regions. If you follow this guide, you will have a separate LinkedIn environment for each target market, a local proxy location that matches the region you want to reach, a cleaner setup for running localized LinkedIn outreach and content campaigns across different markets. Let's get started. Let's create your LinkedIn profile. From the dashboard, click Create to get started. Add a name for your profile so you can easily identify each market. Then select LinkedIn as your use case. Add tags to organize your profiles by client, campaign, or market. Next, choose Multilogin as your proxy provider. You can use the built-in proxies or connect a third-party proxy if you already have one. Then choose your proxy type. Choose your proxy location. Then select the country. After that, choose a device brand and model for your cloud phone. Click Create to save the profile. Then click the play icon to launch your cloud phone. You'll see a real Android environment where you can install and use apps just like on a physical phone. Next, open the built-in app marketplace. Then search for LinkedIn and install it. Wait a few minutes for LinkedIn to finish installing. You can log into your LinkedIn account or create a new one inside this profile and keep the account in the same cloud phone. With Cloud Phone, setting up a new LinkedIn account is simple and works just like on a real smartphone. You can also create posts, engage with your connections, and follow LinkedIn pages. Multilogin provides isolated cloud phones, local mobile proxies, and everything you need to reach LinkedIn users based on their location. And it doesn't stop at LinkedIn. You can also use Multilogin to manage and engage with audiences across Facebook, Instagram, and other social platforms. Get started with Multilogin for free today.